And as I said, this was the first time I really contemplated my mortality and looked at it very seriously. And I knew then that I had to really do something and take ownership of my own health, my own life, and I had to get it turned around. So I went into a whole host of things from, incorporating yoga and meditation and breathing and working on building my body from the foot all the way up to the shoulder. So working on mobility, strength, body weight exercises. This was the first time I went to the gym and I felt like every time I lifted and went to do something, my body was just going to fall apart. Like I just couldn't lift heavy or something else would hurt. So this was the first time in my life that I felt, man, I just don't have it. And to really sit in that, that's what really gave me the understanding what it's like to be in a state where you feel like hope may be lost when it comes to your health and fitness. Like if you've been